Alright, Corvette fans, here's a nice C6, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, removable hardtop, or removable roof panel if you will. And this one does have the solid painted to match roof panel. Of course, crystal red metallic tint coat is the color of this one, with cashmere leather interior. This one does have the 6-speed automatic transmission with tap shift. See the paint on this in nice shape. As you can see, paint does have a nice reflection to it, good shine. Down in the front, there is the front license plate bracket for this. FYI, it is in the trunk. We'll go with the car, but there is one little, you can kind of see it, just one little screw mark. So if you ended up putting on the front license plate bracket, it is going to cover that up, and you can see just a tad bit of, just a little bit of wear that kind of shows up from where the license plate bracket was on there. Want to make you aware of that. Other than that, haven't seen a lot for nicks, dings, or scratches on this car. Now, of course, 08, first year that 6.2 liter LS3 was put underneath the hood. A lot of people like this model year because of the horsepower gain that you got with the 6.2. Now, if you want to check out the pictures underneath the hood, the interior, the undersides, let's check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. And of course, feel free to call to 507-386-1726. Good color on this car. Low miles, a little over 23,000 miles. The 6.2 engine. Don't expect this one to stick around real long. As you can see, chrome wheels, drilled rotors. Of course, this would have 4-wheel disc at each corner. Power brakes, power steering, AC, very nicely equipped cars. This happens to be a 3LT package also. So I'll kind of go down the list of some of the stuff you're going to get with that. But as you can see, this does have the selective ride control, Bose system, navigation, dual climate control. You'd also have dual power seats, and those are heated. Heads-up display, all your steering wheel mounted controls. So very nicely equipped, great color, low miles, one owner. Carfax does not indicate any accidents, confirms one owner. That's where I'm pulling that from. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Center dump exhaust. Also has the privacy netting here underneath that. I do have the hard top and its holder back there. There is also the cargo net, and like I said, the front license plate bracket will be in there also. You can take a look up and down driver's side. Also nice shape. Cashmere interior. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pop this door open and check the interior out a little closer. So, of course, Bose system, memory seats, power windows, power locks. We have the power telescopic wheel, tilt. Here's your heads-up control, or heads-up display controls. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Alright, I mentioned navigation here. Dash, everything also in nice shape. Of course, OnStar. Auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your miles, 23,354. I can vouch for the air blowing cold. It blows cold in a hurry. And again, selective ride. It's nicely equipped, and you can see as far as what condition the seats are in. Not ripped, torn. Basically what you'd expect for the miles on this car. No crazy loud aftermarket exhaust. Again, what you'd expect an 08 Corvette to sound like. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I just want to pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay, see how clean and nice that is also. Alright, I want to show you this too. The hood liner, you can tell this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. If you ever drove this in the salt or was grimy out at all, it's all going to cover that hood liner and just make a powdery, discolored mess. So extremely clean hood liner. Tells you how this car has been taken care of. Look at that. LS3 engine bay. Again, looks very stock, very nice shape. I believe this is the color keyed headlight surrounds too. You could get that in black. This matches the car. So there you have it. Beautiful. 2008 Chevy Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website and check out the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you email or call us.